As the sun's golden rays embrace the earth, an awe-inspiring landscape unfolds before your eyes. Behold a world where nature's artistry takes center stage, where tranquility and beauty dance in perfect harmony.
Rolling hills stretch endlessly, their verdant carpets adorned with vibrant wildflowers. The air is filled with their delicate fragrance, weaving a symphony of scents that captivate your senses. Majestic mountains reach for the heavens, their snow-capped peaks glistening like diamonds, while cascading waterfalls create a soothing chorus. A serene river meanders through this enchanting realm, its azure waters reflecting the clear sky above. Ancient trees line its banks, their branches whispering secrets to the wind. In this hidden oasis, a tranquil lake nestled among emerald forests mirrors the landscape's allure, inviting you to pause and embrace its serenity. Majestic mountains rise proudly on the horizon, their snow-capped peaks reaching towards the heavens. They stand as timeless sentinels, guarding the land below. Cascading waterfalls cascade down their mighty slopes, their crystalline waters glistening in the sunlight like liquid diamonds, creating a symphony of soothing sounds. Birdsong fills the air, as vibrant creatures flit among the treetops, painting the scene with a kaleidoscope of colors. Time stands still in this idyllic paradise, offering respite from the chaos of the world. It reminds us to cherish and protect the precious gift of nature. This landscape is a sanctuary, a haven for weary souls and adventurous spirits alike. It beckons you to explore its hidden corners, to immerse yourself in its untamed beauty. Let it awaken a sense of wonder within your heart, and allow its magnificence to leave an indelible mark on your soul. Time seems to stand still in this idyllic paradise, inviting you to pause and embrace the serenity that surrounds you. The beauty of this landscape is a gentle reminder of the marvels that Mother Earth has bestowed upon us. It whispers of the delicate balance between humanity and nature, urging us to cherish and protect this precious gift. Join us on this visual feast, as we navigate through the breathtaking landscape, capturing its essence and sharing its remarkable beauty with the world. Welcome to a realm where nature's masterpiece unfolds, inviting you to revel in its splendor.